Hello everyone. Welcome to Centerpivot. To creating a seamless pattern in Substance Designer. With the help of splines is a great way to add detailed designs to your textures. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Launch Substance Designer and create a new project. Please make sure you're using updated Substance Designer. And check in the Edit menu, Preferences. Projects, Compatibility display Substance Engine v9 option. Add Spline polyquadratic node. And increase point amount as much you need to create pattern. Customize the spline with the spline node selected. You can now customize the shape of your pattern. Adjust the control points and handles of the spline to create the desired design. You can use multiple splines to create more complex patterns. Add another spline polyquadratic node. To create opposite of the node. Add spline append node to append the nodes, basically combining the nodes. Adjust the spline polyquadratic nodes to create the shape. Change thickness for preview. To create up and down effect in splines. Go to Point Properties, adjust the height value to get desired results. To create grayscale version, use Scatter on Spline Grayscale node. You can able to view the output in 2D. You can able to change the default pattern like square, disc, etc. Or you can create new shape pattern, or you can use the bitmap image also. Go to duplicates to create more duplicate patterns. We already created up and down effect. We can able to use that by applying the spline height multiplier, which is inside color option. Now see the result. Now let's create the pattern to apply in splines. Use polygon node, create the pattern base. Change sides to 3 to create triangle shape. Apply transform slightly to achieve results. Create blend node in subtract mode to create required shape. Apply some randomness by directional warp and warp node with the help of Perlin noise. Connect the pattern to scatter on Spline Grayscale node in pattern input. Change in pattern to image input. Increase the scale of pattern, which is inside size tab. Adjust the pattern spline nodes to match top and bottom shape. To create a seamless pattern, the spline needs to be converted into a grayscale image. Add a tile generator node. In Substance Designer, the tile generator node is used to repeat and tile textures. Add a tile generator node to the graph editor and connect it to the grayscale output node. Adjust tiling parameters, select the tile generator node and adjust the generator parameters to control how the pattern is repeated. You can adjust the scale, rotation, and offset to achieve the desired seamless effect. Select image input in tile generator, adjust the amount. Add some background to create good seamless pattern. Using blur and blend in linear dodge mode and redistribute the node. Connect to output. Finally, connect the output of the tile generator node to the desired output node in the graph editor. By following these steps, you can create seamless patterns using splines in Substance Designer. Expose as new graph input will help to change the scaling. You can use the created pattern in other projects as well, like this. Remember to experiment with different spline shapes, tiling parameters, and grayscale adjustments to achieve unique and visually appealing results. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe our channel Centerpivot.